फॉर मिस्टर रोहित शर्मा. मी विनंती करतो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहेब, त्याचबरोबर श्री शरद पवार साहेब आणि अजिंक्य नाईक यांच्या हस्ते आपण सन्मान आणि सत्कार करूया. प्रथम तो रोहित शर्मा यांचा. Yes, keep the claps going, ladies and gentlemen. Keep the claps going. Yes, we have seen Rohit Sharma's fireworks with the bat. May I gently request him to say a few words and then we'll unveil the stand.
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone who's come here to make this event so special for all of us. What is going to happen today, I have never dreamt of. As a kid growing up, wanting to play cricket for Mumbai, wanting to play cricket for India, no one thinks of these kind of things. For me, it's like any other sportsman who wanted to try and give the best and use the best of his talent and ability and to serve the nation, serve the country as much as possible. While doing that, obviously, you try and achieve a lot of things, you achieve a lot of things, a lot of milestones are created. But something like this, it is really special. Only because Wankhede is such an iconic stadium and so many memories have been created here. And for me to have my name amongst, the greats of the game and world's best political leader, I cannot express what the feeling is. So for that, I am really grateful and honored and very thankful as well to all the MCA members, Ajinkya Naik, Sanjay Naik, Arman Bhai, and of course, not to forget the Apex Council members. For me to honor while I am playing, it makes it very special because I'm still playing. I've retired from 2 formats, but I'm still playing 1 format. So it'll be a surreal feeling on 21st when I come here and play against Delhi Capitals representing Mumbai Indians, and to have a stand. It will be a very special feeling, and it'll even get special while representing the country. Whenever that happens, India plays whichever team here, that is going to make even more special. So, and to have this big honor in front of, so many people, especially my family, my mom and dad, my brother, his wife, and my wife, who's present here as well. Very special people in my life, and I'm so grateful and thankful to whatever they have sacrificed for me to stand here and talk about this special day. And of course, not to forget my very special team, Mumbai Indians, is also here, who I'm pretty sure are waiting for my speech to get over so that they can start training. But thank you guys for coming there and supporting. I would like to thank the media and all the members, and special thank to Shri Sharad Pawar Sahib and Fadnavis sir to be here and make it very special. This is a very special day in my life, which I will never forget. So thank you again. Thank you to all the MCA members, for honoring this to me and my family. It's a very special day. Thank you again, guys.
How beautifully said. Can you have a big round of applause for those thoughts? A journey that started in Borivali, played for Mumbai, played for India, the World Cup in Barbados, and now the stand being unveiled. The buzzer is ready. May I request the dignitaries to kindly do the honors. Okay, just requesting. As Rohit Sharma said in his speech, family members' presence, proud parents, better half in attendance along with all the team members that he has played and is playing. And now we are ready for the unveiling of the Rohit Sharma stand. Yes, at a count of 3. So our team is also ready. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.